An animal sanctuary in North Dartmouth lives by the saying, perfectly imperfect. Their farm is home to animals that weren't wanted or couldn't be cared for, but now they're getting a lot of love thanks to two women.
NBC 10's Sam Reed shows us something good.
13 years ago on this 7.5-acre property in North Dartmouth.
Everything here used to be just all trees and woods.
Friends Jill Tigano and Deb Devlin learned there were lots of farm animals in their community looking for a place to call home.
Right now we have probably about 40 animals.
They're not your average animals, though.
A majority of the time it is kind of a last stop for them.
Because all of them were surrendered to the sanctuary and have disabilities that can be difficult to manage. Jill and Deb refuse to give up on them.
This is what I've chosen to do with my life, to give back, to be able to help out.
Though they both have full-time jobs, full-time farm keeper can be added to their resume.
We make time for this, and because it's important.
In 2016, they became a nonprofit calling themselves Don't Forget Us, Pet Us.
Good boy.
They rely on donations and the kindness of the community.
We just have little pieces of everybody's heart that have done projects and stuff here.
Though the animals may look different, they're not in any pain. Crinkle's head sits sideways and Kahlo can't use her front legs. Petunia was poisoned by lead and uses a wheelchair. And so does Kiki, who can't walk.
We're all perfectly imperfect.
At times, the animals go off the farm and brighten people's day. And occasionally, the pair can get a bit of a breather by offering an opportunity for the community to come in.
When I heard it, I was excited.
Recently, they've been asking for storytime volunteers.
I don't know why she swallowed that.
8-year-old Maya Braga has brought a book and is ready to read to the animals.
I love them.
Sitting fully focused and comfy cozy, there's no judgment from this attentive audience.
Reading to an animal might be easier than reading to a classroom.
There's a lady who swallowed an owl.
Maya personally picked out what she wanted to read aloud and says she too is comfortable and gaining confidence.
Are they good listeners?
I think so.
While this is a unique experience, it's one they're hopeful will make a difference.
Fabulous job.
And on this farm that feeds on love, it's evident despite what we look like on the outside. On the inside, we all have our own gift to give.
The world's really, kind of tough right now. And so any little bit of peace and happiness that you can find and then give to others, I think is super important.
Showing you something good. I'm Sam Reed.